Okay, so today I'm going to open my package from Pawstar. It was actually funded by Arn of the Apocalypse, who's one of my Patreon cult members. Yeah, kindly funded it, basically like an early Christmas present, so thank you heaps. Before I open it though, let me show you my shirt. This is what I was wearing under my glasses video, the Kuromi shirt. I'm pretending to care, little bunny. And appropriate not just because of the Pawstar stuff,
but also because I had a really bad night, woke up feeling really awful. But I'm making a video, so I'm in that like video making mode, and I don't know, it's not that I'm pretending to be happier than I am, so I think I must be somewhat excited, but yeah, the way that my day started, I was just like, I should be looking grumpier than I am, but I'm not.
Anyway, enough rambling, let's open the thing. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, black tissue paper. I will take that to the studio and add it to my art stash. I need to stop collecting art materials, but hey, how can I not? Fluffiness. Oh, there's a little invoice thing
With my address on it, so I'll put it to the side.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Wow. Oh gosh. Cute. There's like an extra little thing. Okay, well, I'll show you the thing first. So we have a bunny hat. A bunny hat. Yeah, because I have no hair now, so I need more things to wear on my head, especially in winter. Unfortunately, it's like pretty much summer in Sydney now, although it's still a bit cold because of La Nina and I'm tired of cold weather, so maybe I can still get in some wearing before the end of the year. But yeah, bunny hat. So yeah, I got this is like the, what do you call it?
I should probably look at
Punx Mega bunny hat. I've been looking at it for ages. Look, it has that sort of punk vibe. So, like, yes, I bought this from a furry store, but to me, the things that I like about it are the Harajuku style, and this is one that they said was inspired by Harajuku fashion, and you guys know I've got some Harajuku stuff that could probably cross the line into the furry world. Oh my gosh, and it's so fluffy. And then it's got like a softer fleecy there. We've got that patterns. We've got little piercings, and they're red to match the overall theme. And yes, red, black, and white, because that's my Destroy America theme. Side note, my shirts, they're still out there. You can still get the discount before the end of November. But yeah, no, more red and black and white stuff to fit my color scheme. Hey, we might as well embrace it. And then we've got the little badges. So the badges are randomized, but I put a little note in my order saying please don't put in any love hearts, and they came through. They gave me one of their paw prints and a star, so yay, because I don't want anything lovey-dovey. And then we've got the safety pins and more of the things. But yeah, so the other thing that just came in, they gave me an extra like Halloween button badge thing, so that's cute. That was a little bonus extra, I guess, because like we timed it for they had like a Halloween sale, or maybe it was a post-Halloween sale, or I don't even remember. It took a while to get here because they're in America, I'm in Australia. Yeah, wow. So shall I put it on then?
Hey, I'm a cute little bunny.
Yeah, because I already have that pink fluffy cat hat and also my leopard print cat hat, and now I have a bunny hat. And I like the bunny ears, how like they're kind of big and dramatic, and now it's kind of like having a mane, but I'm also a flippy floppy bunny.
They're fun to play with.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, it feels really nice. It fits nicely, like it's not too tight. And so like if I do grow my hair out and the hair starts taking more space, this is gonna be super comfy. Like this is actually heaps more comfy than my cyber wigs. I guess, you know, the cyber wigs have to be tight because there's a lot more going on and it's a bit heavier, but this is nice and light, and I can definitely see myself wearing this a lot in the winter time, you know, sort of like a beanie. When I don't want to be a cat, I can be a bunny instead, and I can have my, yeah,
red and black and white.
And yeah, one of the problems with all my cat stuff is either pink or brown, and that doesn't necessarily go with the rest of my gothy kind of wardrobe and other things that I've got. Like a lot of my wardrobe is black, and sometimes I don't want to be a pink and black kitty. Sometimes I want to be something else. So
yay, I'm a bunny.
And yeah, it feels really nice. I think this will be too much in summer. Like it covers my ears as well, so it keeps your ears nice and warm. But yeah, for Australian summer, this will be too much, so I'll just have to be bold in summer. But yeah, cute and so fluffy. It really feels nice and soft. This is the standard size one, but I believe they also make a plus size one. So yeah, if you're bigger than me, you could have So yeah, and also I think they custom make them as you order them. So yeah, I'm not sure how many differences you can ask for. Like, you can get little add-ons like an extra patch, or I think extra buttons, or they also have like a safety pin with a little mini chain and stuff. And if you wanted something specific, I guess you could ask for it, but I liked this one. I mean, they had different colors as well. The purple was also quite nice, and also the black and white one. But yeah, red's more me, my brand, if you like. Yeah, I guess if you really wanted something different, you could try talking to them, because I think they only make them when you order them. For these, at least. I think they've got other products that they have all the time. It looks like I follow their Facebook, and it looks like they do conventions in America. I'm in Australia, so I've never been to one of those. I know we have conventions here, but also the idea of being around that many people looking at stuff and, I don't know,
Being nerdier than I am.
I've never been to anything like Supernova, or I don't even know what else we have here. But yeah, apparently at like furry conventions, they have little stalls set up. Yeah, anyway, so cool. I really like this. It's gonna be fun when winter finally comes back around and I can wear this around the place. Obviously not going to wear it to bonsai. At bonsai, I usually wear a pusheen beanie that my friend gave me because it's very small and compact and doesn't get in the way. And like, this has all this fluffiness. I wouldn't want to get bonsai dirt into all the fluffiness. So now I'm a bunny. And I guess that has kind of cheered me up a bit. Give me something distracting from how I went to bed in my little depressive spiral and woke up still feeling like everything is horrible, because my god, this year with like trying to work out all my mental health stuff has been really tough, and I think I must still be processing it. But I suppose this is not the right video to be talking about my mental health when I'm meant to be showing off the Pawstar thing. Look how big they are! Oh my god! Big floofy ears. Shall I just show you, like, if I sort of awkwardly turn around while I'm sitting? I know I could like stand up. Did that even look? I hope that looked all right. And then if we go like whoosh, I hope you can see everything. Yeah. So yeah, no, I know I could stand up and do it sort of like, my fashion videos and whatever, but it's just the hat, and I can't be bothered to rearrange the tripod. Yeah, no, thank you, Arn of the Apocalypse, one of my Patreon cult members and one of my longest running supporters. Yes, Apocalypse. Yeah, we're all into that in my cult, Destructionism. To create, you must first destroy, which is true, because to make this, they had to like cut up bits of fabric and then stitch them together. You transform materials into other things, and that's what that whole idea is. If you want to make a chair, you've got to chop down a tree or whatever and get the wood from it. And blah blah blah, and even just existing, you have to put food into your body so that you can produce energy, so that you can keep moving and then go and make stuff. So yeah, all of our existences rely on destroying something else, and that's how I go with the whole destructionism thing.
Join my cult.
Have some brainwashing.
Join my cult on Patreon, $1 just to get in and see all the weird art stuff that I get up to, especially because I'm not posting so much on Facebook anymore. Anyway, a plug. Otherwise, buy my merch and the nice little t-shirts that I have. I will say with this tea turtle shirt, this is like the medium, like women's fitted or junior size, and the little armholes are a little bit too small, and the neck hole is just at the borderline of what I can tolerate, whereas the shirts that I'm making through Stream Elements are so comfy. So maybe I need to make my own bunny shirts, especially now that I'm officially a bunny, a punk sort of bunny. Yeah. I don't know what I'm talking about instead of dragging out this video, but it is nice to feel something other than,
existential crap about my life and blah 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 blah.
So yay for stuff and things. Yay for retail therapy, which, honestly, how much is standard therapy helping me? Maybe retail therapy is the go. Yeah, thank you, Arn of the Apocalypse, and yeah, everyone who supports me, and I guess watching my stuff, because like, what do I do with my life otherwise? I don't even know. I'm gonna end the video before I hurt myself. See you later, guys.
Oh, wait